Most people get this wrong when using Fetch Rewards. They earn points for weeks, open the rewards section, and expect to find a PayPal cash-out option waiting for them. Here's the truth no one tells you. Not every rewards app handles withdrawals the same way, and understanding your redemption options before earning points can save you a lot of frustration. In this video, we're answering a simple but important question. Does Fetch Rewards have a PayPal option in 2026? You'll also learn what redemption methods are typically available and how to get the most value from your points. Let's get straight to the answer. If you're hoping to transfer Fetch Rewards points directly into your PayPal account as cash, that's where many users become confused. Fetch Rewards has traditionally focused on point-based reward redemptions rather than direct PayPal cash withdrawals. Instead, users generally redeem points for rewards that are available through the app's redemption marketplace. For example, Alex earns points every week from grocery shopping. When he's ready to redeem, he opens the rewards section expecting a PayPal transfer option. Instead, he finds various reward choices that can be redeemed using his accumulated points. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users assume all rewards apps are basically the same. But that's not true. Some apps focus heavily on direct cash back and payment methods like PayPal. Others focus on point systems that can be exchanged for rewards. This difference is important because it affects how you should approach earning and redeeming points. But here's the problem. Most people don't check redemption options before investing time into an app. This is where most people fail. They spend months earning points only to discover the available redemption choices don't match their expectations. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to avoid this mistake. The easiest solution is simple. Before building a large points balance, open the rewards section and review the currently available redemption options. This helps you understand exactly what your points can be used for. For example, John regularly checks the rewards catalog before earning points. Because he knows what rewards interest him, he stays motivated and avoids surprises when it's time to redeem. Now, here's where it gets even more important. Reward programs can change over time. Available redemption methods, point requirements, and reward options may be updated. That's why it's always a good idea to verify the current choices directly within the app. If your primary goal is receiving cash directly through PayPal, you may want to compare Fetch Rewards with other rewards platforms that focus more heavily on cashback withdrawals. Let's quickly recap. Fetch Rewards is designed around a points-based reward system. Users typically redeem accumulated points through available reward options within the app. Before earning large amounts of points, always review the current redemption choices so you know exactly what to expect. Now you know whether a Fetch Rewards PayPal option exists in 2026 and how the reward system generally works. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more rewards app tutorials and reviews, and let us know in the comments what reward you usually redeem with your Fetch Rewards points.